Welcome to our video on how to use Google Calendar like a pro. In this session, we'll explore how this powerful tool can boost your productivity and streamline your planning. First, let's set up your Google Calendar account. Just visit calendar.google.com and log in with your Google account. If you don't have one, creating a new account is quick and easy. Now, let's create and customize your events. Click on a date, enter your event title, and customize reminders and notifications to keep you on track. To stay organized, utilize the color coding feature. Assign different colors for work, personal, and family events to help you visualize your schedule at a glance. Share your calendar with colleagues and family to facilitate collaborative planning. Simply click Share in your calendar settings and add email addresses. Setting up recurring events is a breeze. Whether it's a weekly meeting or a daily exercise routine, just select Does Not Repeat and choose your preferred recurrence. Integrate Google Calendar with other apps like Gmail and Google Tasks to create a seamless productivity experience. Link events and track tasks effortlessly. For a quick overview, make use of the Agenda View. It provides a list of your upcoming events, keeping you well informed of your schedule. Manage your time effectively with time blocking techniques. Allocate specific time slots for tasks, ensuring focused and productive work sessions. Thank you for joining us. We encourage you to dive deeper into Google Calendar's advanced features and integrations to truly unlock your productivity potential.